Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2009 Honda VTX1300R with only 17,440 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a CSC TRIKE kit, CSC top case, grips, headlight and passing lamp visors, tall windshield, rear bumper, luggage rack, rear fender luggage rails, and an LED headlight and LED passing lamps, Mustang rider and passenger seats, passenger floorboards, and mud flaps. The VTX is a classic-style cruiser with contemporary power, giving riders the best of old and new and appealing to a wide range of riders. Powered by a 1312cc V-twin engine, the VTX puts 90 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 669 pounds and has a 27.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.